are you guys doing today? Hey, happy Monday. I hope it was a good day for you guys. And today we are going to make a little Christmas sign. Oh, did I get it? Let me grab some here real quick. For our vintage truck, we're not doing the vintage truck today, but we have like 4 different add-ons that you can get for it. One is for Christmas, which is the one we're going to use today. So it has snowboarding on it, and then it has some little Christmas trees, and then it has like this is the plaid for the body of the vintage truck, and then it has some little sayings here. So we're going to just use some of the sayings on this piece to make us a little Christmas sign for the holidays. So I didn't think we could get any stranger, right? We might also go ahead and start with Christmas 2020 and get our decorations going. So as you guys are jumping on, say hello, tell me where you're from, tell me about your weekend. Did you guys have a good weekend this weekend? I kind of chilled as usual. I've been kind of chilling a lot lately. Just not as fun to go out anymore when you have to wear your mask. So yeah, just doing that thing. But let's get started here. And we're just going to use the Pine Creek Tree Farm and a few of the other ones just to make us a cute little banner sign. Just to kind of show you, let me see if that's not even cut. So hold on, let me cut this off. But this is how I cut my transfers, is I leave the backing on and I just cut up the blue part. That way you can put it back on the white part and still see all your designs when you got it stored away. And guys, I just have mine like stored in a box underneath my bed. So that's how I've been storing them so far. So real simple. And I like the way you can kind of see through this a little bit, to kind of see if it's centered or not. So I'm gonna have to get this out of the way, or turn it up. I'm gonna turn it over. No, I'm gonna get out of the way. There, so I didn't want to stick to the rest of that. Okay, and then I'm gonna do it in green, but guys, we have like, I don't know, we have like about 30 colors, and actually on Wednesday, if you've been following me, we have some new colors coming out on Wednesday. It's our new release for our new catalog for our fall and Christmas catalog. So hopefully you guys have been seeing some of the sneak peeks that I've been showing you guys. I'm kind of excited about it. There's some really cute Christmas ones. This one's actually been out all year round, this little add-on. So I already have that, but it's going to be in our fall and winter catalog too. But there's going to be exclusive like Christmas and the holiday catalog coming out that you can only get during the holidays. So I'm kind of excited about it. Have you guys been choosing some favorites from the videos and pictures that I've been putting out? Let's see. So I'm just going to do the Pine Creek, and then we're just going to go down and stagger it, I guess you could say. Let me make sure I get here and see your replies. So there you go. So thanks for joining, guys. Let me just show you how easy that is and how nice and clean and crisp that turned out, right? That is because you would think they're called stencils, but they're actually silk screen transfers. And it's actually like, you know, what they use to print t-shirts and stuff, how crisp and clean all that comes out. That's what they use to make our silk screen transfers. So it makes it real easy. They're reusable, guys, so you can get lots of different play, I like to say play, out of these because you can reuse them up to 12 times. If you take care of them, they will last you much longer than that. So that's pretty. I like that green on that black. me show you. I think that, like the two colors that are coming up for me all the time are the like hunter green and Old Navy are the ones that I'm seeing that are pretty popular. Let me get this going. So I'm just gonna try to, I like that they're flexible so you can kind of see where you're going here. Let's see. Just a little bit more. Okay. Now just make sure you put it down and get all the air bubbles out of it. I have a little piece of something there that shouldn't be. So scrape it away and get all your air bubbles out. And put your paste on there. And don't worry about putting too much because when you do your squeegee, hold it at 90 degrees and just squeegee across. And then when it, uh-oh, I might have got my pee again. But when it will squeegee off the excess and you just put it back in your jar for the next project. So I think I got my pee again where I didn't want it. So no worries, right? It's because, let me show you how this looks. Okay, put this down, and I did, you can see that I got it right there where I don't want it, but that's okay because it goes on wet and it dries hard. So since I already have this dry, I'm going to go over it I'm going to go over the top of it with just a Lysol wipe and get that little piece off. Pretty easy. No foolproof here. Or, it is foolproof. It's easy. You can't really make mistakes. And you see how, like this one, on that one, I like how they already kind of pre-distress the word for you. So you don't have to worry about distressing it afterwards. So now let's get farm on here. And then we're going to add a couple other things if they fit. So how's your guys' day going? Let me see. You can see that tree, like it goes kind of up. It gets smaller at the end there. Okay, now I'm seeing it. And then the F and the M get the M gets larger. So let's see how that turns out. And then I thought I would put, like, there's one that says established in 1950. So I was going to put that on here with the little, what are they called? Axes, the little axes, and see if we have enough room for all of it. Okay. But this is just a way to show you that even though, you know, these are all together like this, you can mix and match. You can mix and match your wording and stuff and make it fit your project. So guys, I'll take this to my sink and I will wash it up and wash all the paste off of it. Turn it to let the sticky side dry, or turn it up and on the sticky side up and let it dry, and then I'll just put it back on my backer sheet so I can use it next time, okay? So easy to take care of, easy to work with, fun. Let's see. Okay. So I think that I'm going to put the established 1950 at the bottom here. And I might not have, we'll see about the axes. We'll see if we have room for those. But I'm just going to put this right here. And real quick. And you know that I get on here and I do projects and they're always real quick, guys. You can make them as complicated or as simple as you want. Like if you wanted to really use a lot of these little transfers, like those little trees and all that good stuff, it might take you a little longer. But you know, sometimes you just want to do a quick project. Sometimes that's all you have time for. So it's nice that you can kind of get it out, do what you need, and then, you know, go on about your day. So, was that in 1950? How cute that turned out. Okay, I don't know about these axes. I'm almost like scared that it's gonna mess up my project. I'm gonna get them out and see what I think here at the top, but I'm kind of thinking that I guess I could do 2 here and 2 there, but I almost think I'm gonna skip on the axes just because I don't have enough room. I think sometimes less is more. Don't be worried about leaving space in your projects. Just because it's more visually pleasing. If you get too much going on, sometimes it's just too much for your brain to kind of comprehend, right? So definitely though, what I like about it, it is very up to you. It's always personalized up to your taste. So I'm just going to quickly put a bow together, and then our project will be done. And guys, I'm going to do a simple little bow and create it that anybody can do this bow, I promise. So it's just basically crisscrossing it. I have like 3 different colors here. And guys, these are all Dollar Tree ribbon. So pretty inexpensive. This banner was Dollar Tree, and I just painted over the little sign that was there. So everything is pretty simple and inexpensive, and just have fun with it, right? So just a great addition to any kind of Christmas decor. We want to let the big guy know that we still want him. We want him to come see us. But even though maybe this hasn't been the best year for any of us, I'm just dovetailing these, so just kind of fold it up, and then start out the closed end and go towards the opened end corner, and you've got your little dovetails there. And now let's just turn it around, do a real quick bow. So guys, if you have questions, always feel free to put them in the comments, or send me a direct message, and I will certainly get back to you. And then look for on Wednesday, guys, because that's when we're going to have our new catalog. Should be really cute. It is really cute. I've seen it. It's really cute. Lots of stuff. Lots of goodies, from just fall decor to Halloween. Who's big Halloween people? Halloween is a big holiday. Do you guys have like parties with your friends, and where you actually dress up, and I think I'm gonna take this around one more time, that you dress up and actually do a big party thing? We've got some really cute Halloween decor signs. We've got signs. We're gonna have like little mini tier tray signs that you can make real easy. And then we have like big ones that you can do, big transfers that you can use, but like this. Like you can make it this size, or you can cut it up and just use pieces of it. Super cute, guys. Okay, let's finish this off. Make sure it's all dry. But the vintage truck is probably, this little guy is probably one of our best sellers. It's probably why 75% of the people actually join us, is for that vintage truck, or start, buying from us, and then they get into how easy it is and how much fun it is, and then they keep, it becomes a whole other craft project for them. So they buy the add-ons, and they buy the different home decor pieces. But really, Chalk Couture is just easy DIY upscale home decor. that you can personalize and make it unique for yourself. So let's see, how did that one turn out? See how simple it is? Really, just add a little bow. You could do this in any color, like we have the red, it's real pretty. White would even be pretty. So there we go. That's all we have for today. So I hope you enjoyed your project. Our project, I don't know if I've even introduced myself. I'm Mandy Ross with Wynn's Foxy Nest. And I love to get on here, guys, and just inspire you guys to have the foxiest nest and use, I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, so I like to come on and just show you different ways to use the product. So guys, have a wonderful evening. If you want the supplies that I used in today's project, I will put them down in the comments so you can check that out, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.